Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys all the sensors in the robot vacuum MOVA P50 Ultra and how you can clean it. So let's start from the sensors checkup. The first four sensors on the bottom side, it's a clip sensor, it's located here, here, here and here. The next one on the back is a charging port, remember to clean it also sometimes. And on the left side we have also the side sensor. On the front we have the camera. The most important sensors, it's on the top, it's a leader, it's a 360, and how to clean the sensors. The method is the same for any sensor in this applies. Remember to do not clean the strong alcohol, the alcohol from the sanitizers, for example, with the glycerin or the fragrance. Just use the dry paper towel, and if you want to use the alcohol to clean it, use the IPA 70, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.